Hey guys, it's Albert in Muffin Group. In this video, I would like to explain what templates are, how to use them, and why they are so useful. Template is truly a powerful tool that offers unlimited possibilities while also allowing you to save a tremendous amount of time. I've noticed that quite a few of you have trouble understanding how they work, and I hope this video will cover the topic thoroughly. Contrary to what you might think, it's not as complicated as it seems. Once you understand how they work, you will never want to stop using them. It's truly addictive, I'm not kidding. And remember, if anything is unclear or not discussed enough, feel free to leave a comment down there in the comment section and I will answer all your questions as always. Okay, so let's not waste the time then on this introduction and let's jump to my screen. Templates are located in main WordPress dashboard just underneath Betheme. If for some reason you don't have this tab active, please go to Betheme, Theme Options, Global, Advanced, and scroll to Theme Functions to check if this feature has not been disabled for some reason. Okay, let's get back to the templates then. In this tab, you will find a list of all templates. At the moment, we have 10 types of templates available, divided by purpose. The first 5, namely header, mega menu, sidebar menu, footer and pop-up, are used to build specific sections, as their names indicate. Global is used to build specific sections and wraps, but pages are for regular pages. However, in this video, I will focus on the ones I skipped while listing, namely blog, portfolio and WooCommerce. The principle of their construction and functionality is the same. However, they differ in the type of data they work with and the location where they will be displayed. Okay, so what are these templates that I would like to introduce? The easiest way to think about them is as custom layout, a type of graphic layout that is shared for a specific type of post and pulls specific data from a given post. I thought that the most universal example would be the blog, so I will focus on that one. Before I will edit already existing template, please note that you can create own by clicking Add New Template button above the list of templates or appropriate option on the left bar. If do so, you can choose the template type you would like to create and its name. After creating new template, you will be taken to the BeBuilder where you can start building custom template. You all know very well how blog page in WordPress looks like by default. It's just a regular page with a list of posts only and nothing else. As I already have my own template created, let's get back to the list of templates, navigate to blog, archive, edit the template I've already created with BeBuilder, and take a look at how it looks. So, as you can see for my template, I have added heading element, later blog element with a couple of settings for that item, like grid layout, 2 columns, H4 title tag and few other. Underneath this element, I put global section with newsletter form. By the way, if you didn't have the chance to watch my video regarding global sections, I will leave you the link to that video in the top left corner so you can check how this feature works. And there is also another global section with contact details. Let's update this template, set condition for entire blog page, and let's check the front end. As you can see, blog page doesn't look like regular blog any longer, as except posts, it has heading and a couple of extra sections. This is actually a basic example designed to make you realize what you can basically do. The possibilities are truly unlimited because you have access to the BeBuilder and all the elements available within it. If this is not enough, we can take it a step further. To do this, I have created another template, but before we move on to it, let's reset the conditions for the current one, as it's very important to remember that you cannot have 2 templates assigned to the same page. In case you missed which template is assigned to which page or its type, on the list of templates you have conditions column. NA means that template isn't assigned to any page. It works in kinda draft mode. Let's edit blog archive template then. And here you see that instead of regular blog element available in the BeBuilder, I used query loop to build my own custom list of posts, what you can see by editing the wrap inside which posts are. Since this is a blog archive template, the options for the query loop are locked, because it is obvious that we will be looping nothing but posts here. Before I move on, if you haven't worked with query loops yet, I encourage you to watch the video where I explain the basics of this powerful tool. I will leave the link to that video in the top left corner as well. Let's move on to the content of my loop. To build this post list, I used 4 elements: image, plain text, heading, and another plain text. For the image, I set dynamic data to pull the featured image directly from each post. I also assigned a link to the post using dynamic data and apply a custom mask shape to create a unique and interesting look for the image. The next element is plain text, where I set the post date, followed by a heading that pulls the post title, and finally, another plain text element that fetches the post excerpt. Importantly, each of these elements can be freely styled, allowing the post list to look exactly how you want it. Let's update template then, and now pop-up pops up where you can choose for which type of archive page you would like to assign this template. As is block archive, you can choose between block page, category, and here you can apply template for all categories or specific ones, and tag. Of course, in this step, we can include and exclude specific archives or even combine them by adding new conditions. As my template was created for block page, I will select include block in this step. Let's apply conditions by saving template. And now, if I will go to the block page, you will see that it looks exactly the same as the build template. I hope everything is clear so far. If not, and you think I missed something, just let me know in the comments. Okay, let's focus now on the single post template. We all know how simple single posts look in WordPress. Usually it's title, breadcrumbs, featured image, wall of text, and comments at the end if enabled. With templates, we can easily change that and give them a unique and distinctive appearance. To do this, let's go to our list of templates and edit the template I've created for this tutorial. As you can see on the screen, the post layout I want to achieve looks significantly different from what WordPress offers by default. To achieve this, I added a plain text element where I want to display the post's date using dynamic data, followed by a heading with the post title, then another heading for the post excerpt. Next, there is a full width image, which pulls featured image set for the post, and below it, the post content with a rather unique narrow appearance. I achieved this by setting a fixed width of 720 pixels for the wrap. Below that, I have several other elements including related posts created using a query loop and global sections. At this point, it is worth mentioning that BeBuilder content which we create in each single post will appear in place of this element. Only this content is modified in BeBuilder when editing a single post. Please note that you can display content of default WordPress editor and display as well by choosing the right option for the source for post content element. As you can see, the possibilities are endless. You have full control over what and where you want to display. Now, let's save our single post template and set the conditions to apply it to all posts. However, you could just as easily assign this template to specific categories or tags. Let's open our post in a new tab and see how it looks. As you can see, with this quick and simple method, we've achieved a completely new post design that can be applied anywhere you need it. That's it for this tutorial. I hope that by now you fall in love with the template just as much as I have. If you like this video, I encourage you to watch another video where I show different type of templates, global wraps and sections. And as always, thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified every time we release a new video. And if you have more questions, please visit our support center at support.muffingroup.com.